The Nicaraguan Canal by Doug Snow. The canal is an interoceanic canal that will go from Brito to Punta Gorda. President Ortega of Nicaragua proposes to have the project done by 2019. President Ortega also believes that the canal could lead Nicaragua out of its poverty. However, one half of the entire population believe completely different. The Nicaraguan Canal would measure a whopping 1,700 feet across at average. This canal could also house some of the largest ships on the sea. You may wonder who's funding this project? Well, it's Wang Jing, the enormous and emphatic Chinese tycoon and billionaire. Many of the locals who are against the Nicaraguan Canal claim that the canal would bring unwanted tourism and destruct the rainforest, as well as their homes. President Ortega believes that the pros of the canal would definitely outweigh the bad. He also says that the people that will lose their homes will be relocated and refunded for what they have lost.